blast into the sun. Go, go, we're ready for a dance. We're ready for adventure. Raise your pup trees, howl at the moon tonight. Side by side, we're shining bright together. Go, 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 everything's gonna be alright.
Skye tried to say she was okay, but her little cough gave her away. By morning, her cheeks were warm, her blanket was pulled up to her chin, and the whole lookout felt too quiet. Ryder stayed beside her for days. He brought her warm medicine, made soft meals, and cooked spaghetti when she finally thought she might be hungry. He wiped counters that were already clean, folded blankets twice, and hummed gentle little tunes while he worked, like he was trying to keep the worry out of the room. When Skye got scared, he brought out his cello and played slowly, softly, until her breathing settled. But Ryder was tired. Vinny was tired too. She wanted to be there more, but work kept pulling her away. Ryder wanted to handle everything, but the more he tried, the more overprotective he became. Their voices rose in the hallway one evening, and Skye heard every word. She looked so frightened that they both stopped. Ryder knelt beside her bed. Vinny held her paw. They told her the truth. They were stressed, but they loved her. Nothing was going to change that. Then one night, Ryder came home and found Skye collapsed on the floor. For one terrible second, he forgot how to breathe. After that, his care became even softer, quieter, closer. Slowly, Skye's cough faded, her fever broke, the lookout felt warm again, and when she finally smiled over a bowl of spaghetti, Ryder smiled too. That night, he tucked her in, humming the same calm tune, grateful that their family had made it through together.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. And share with your friends. And get notified for my next video. That's it for today. This is Taneasha saying goodbye everybody. Paw Patrol's on the road. Content creator Taneasha out. Bye guys.